Hello, everyone. Welcome back to The Best Vehicles. Today, we have some exciting news from Toyota Motor Europe, as the production of the all-new Toyota CHR kicks off with a groundbreaking twist. Stick around to find out more about the electrifying features and the significant investment involved. Let's dive in.
Starting signal for the new Toyota CHR. Production of the second model generation has now started at Toyota Motor Manufacturing Turkey in Sakarya, Turkey. For the new edition of the crossover SUV, the Mobility Group has invested a total of €308 million in its production facility, which is the first in Europe to also produce plug-in hybrid vehicles including battery assembly, which is also a first for Toyota in Europe. With its striking, progressive design, which was reminiscent of a sports coupe with the roofline sloping towards the rear, the Toyota CHR caused a stir in the compact SUV segment when it was launched in 2016. The model has since sold more than 800,000 units, and at the same time, Toyota's European market share has climbed from 4 to 7%. The new edition, developed and constructed in Europe, combines the further developed design heritage with exclusively electrified drives. In addition to a 103 kilowatts per 140 horsepower 1.8-liter full hybrid, combined fuel consumption, 4.9 L/100 km, combined CO2 emissions, 110 G/km, and a 145 kilowatts per 198 horsepower 2.0-liter hybrid, combined fuel consumption, 5.3 to 5.0 L/100 km, combined CO2 emissions, 117 to 111 G/km, which also comes with intelligent all-wheel drive, AWDI, if desired, is a plug for the first time in hybrid, energy consumption weighted combined, 0.9 L fuel/100 km and 14.9 kilowatt-hours electricity/100 km. CO2 emissions weighted combined 20 G/km, electric range, EAER, 65 km and electric range, EAER City, 85 km, available. With a system output of 164 kilowatts per 223 horsepower, the Toyota CHR can travel up to 65 kilometers purely electrically. The electrified diversity in Europe's largest and most competitive SUV class is accelerating CO2 reduction in Europe. The Toyota plant in Turkey plays a crucial role here. With a view to further electrification, around €308 million were invested to modernize the production lines. The total investment in the Sakarya plant now amounts to €2.5 billion. In this way, TMMT is also diversifying its production. In addition to the Corolla sedan and the new CHR, plug-in hybrid batteries are also being produced in Europe for the first time. The new battery line has a capacity of 75,000 units per year. We are pleased with the launch of the new Toyota CHR and TMMT's expanded production facilities. The ability to produce a plug-in hybrid variant with locally manufactured batteries will further expand Toyota's multi-technology offering, contributing to our goal of 100% CO2 reduction across Europe by 2035, said Yoshihiro Nakata, President and CEO of Toyota Motor Europe. Toyota has committed to becoming completely carbon neutral in Europe by 2040. The European production facilities should be climate neutral as early as 2030. TMMT is working towards this goal by gradually minimizing energy consumption and switching to renewable sources. The factory uses, among other things, new painting technologies that minimize CO2 emissions, CO2-free ventilation systems, and solar energy. This milestone will further increase the competitiveness of our plant, which is already known among Toyota plants worldwide for its solid production base and consistently high quality. Above all, we are proud to make an important contribution to Toyota's electrification strategy and carbon neutrality goals, said Erdoğan Şahin, President and CEO of Toyota Motor Manufacturing Turkey. Happy employees, happy customers, happy society, clean environment. Our factory in Sakarya, where this understanding of Toyota Automotive Industry Turkey Incorporated is embodied, is also the largest production base of Toyota, the world's leading automotive company, in Europe. As the factory of firsts, we continue to produce our CHR and Corolla models with a reliable and sustainable understanding with advanced technology and environmentally friendly production methods, without sacrificing occupational safety and quality. And now, in addition to the 11 different projects that we have realized as Toyota's facility with the highest quality and efficiency among its investments in the world, which also changed the automotive history in Turkey, we are adding a gift to the 100th anniversary of our republic by implementing our 12th project, the rechargeable hybrid new generation CHR, and a new milestone to the electrification transformation of our country as we step into the new century.
Design philosophy. Now, let's delve into the design philosophy of the all-new Toyota C-Hour. This model builds on the success of its predecessor, known for being an innovator among European C-segment SUVs. Designed, engineered, and built in Europe, specifically for European customers, the CHR boasts a radical exterior design that creates the impact of a concept car on the road. Interior innovation. Moving inside, the contemporary interior styling seamlessly combines functionality with modern comfort. Toyota has taken a sustainability-focused approach by increasing the use of recycled and animal-free materials. This not only aligns with the global push for eco-friendliness but also contributes to a reduction in carbon emissions through innovative weight saving and new production processes. User experience. But it's not just about looks. The all-new Toyota CHR offers a personalized user experience. Picture this. As the driver approaches their vehicle, exterior lights brighten, and the car adopts the driver's preferred settings, creating a welcoming scenario. A 12.3-inch fully digital combimeter enhances the driving experience, allowing customization and prioritization of information according to the driver's preference or journey type. The inclusion of a digital key system, ambient lighting with up to 64 color options, and a wide range of multimedia features, including a unique automatic parking function and fully remote parking, truly elevate the user experience. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a paramount consideration, and the all-new CHR doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense features, providing advanced safety and driver assistance. New additions include acceleration suppression and proactive driving assist, enhancing collision prevention and smooth deceleration when approaching slower vehicles or bends. Sustainability efforts. Supporting sustainability, the new CHR emphasizes the use of recycled materials, such as a new fabric for seat upholstery made from recycled PET bottles. Additionally, innovations like pre-colored resin for bumpers and water-based paints contribute to carbon reduction. The focus on sustainability extends to weight reduction measures, like the new high-strength steels and a unique panoramic roof design that not only saves weight but enhances headroom. And there you have it, a closer look at the all-new Toyota CHR, a landmark model for Toyota in Europe. From its avant-garde design and advanced technologies to its commitment to sustainability and a personalized user experience, the CHR is set to make waves in the European automotive scene. If you're as excited as we are about this groundbreaking model, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates from the automotive world. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.